Hi, this is Chris from Petrol Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Cruze SRi-V Sedan, stock reference number 5570. The shape runs from the third month 2013 through to the first month 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor and the right sun visor.